So I put together these cute little birdie journals. Aren't they just adorable? This comes from a piece of upholstery fabric, and they had several little birds on it. So I decided they each needed to have their own little journal. So they are put together with a file folder with different fabrics on top of it. And then the insides have been collaged with different types of papers that coordinate. Let's see if I can coordinate myself. That coordinate with the interior papers. Let me get you the size on this one. This is 6 by 5, and these have approximately 150 pages, and I have a few little tabs on there that I put some different fabrics, some I would call some blingy fabrics. Let me go through real quickly just one of them because I have 3 different sizes and I have 2 of each size, and they pretty much have the same kind of papers in them. So, and I have all kinds of papers in here. I have um, digitals, I have from books, I have some of my eco printed, I have coffee printed, I have cleanup papers, I have Amy's coffee and tea dyed papers. You name it, it's in here. And then, as I do with all of my journals, there'll be a packet enclosed with different items that you can further embellish your journal in case, in case you don't have a stash or in case you want to use someone else's stash, right? We know how you little hoarders are. You got all this cool stuff, you don't want to use it. But if I send it to you, you'll use it. I know, because I've already dismantled it and chopped it up. It's already a mess. That fear factor is completely gone. Ta-da! And so I have 2 of these. This is, we'll call it number 1. This one is identical in size and the amount of pages. You can see it's all pretty much the same types of papers as the other one. Won't go through every single page, but you get the idea. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. Front and back of the inside, and the front and the back of the outside. And that one is number 2. These are the 2 smallest ones. Then the medium-sized ones, this one, so we don't get confused with numbers. This is number 3. Have some semblance of order. And number 4. Aren't these cute? Look at them. Adorable. Adorable. Okay, so this is 5 by 9. And these have approximately 100 pages. And this is the front of number 3. This is the back. Here is the collaged interior pages. And it has all the same types of papers as the small one did. And all of them will come with the little package of goodies. And I have a bird book that I got from Renee, so I'll put some pages in there so you can add to these if you want to continue with the bird and floral theme. Ta-da! So that is number 3. Here's the front of number 4, the same size, in the back. Again, this one's number 4. Here is the collaged interior. And then pretty much all the same types of papers, along with the fabric tags. Tabs, not tags. I can get it out. Okay, so this is number 4. I have 2 more, which are a little bit larger. Oops, they're over here. So here's number 5. Number 6. Let me get you a measurement. These are 5 across, and these are 10 in length. Let me show you number 5 first. Here's the front. Oops, let me get it in frame. It's kind of big. And the back. Here's the interior collage. Oopsie. And back. Now these have about 120 pages. Again, resourced all from the same groups of pictures and papers and books and printouts and stash. Ta-da! Again, this one is number 5. And here's the last one, number 6. Here's the front and the back. I think these are the only 2 that I used the same fabric because I had enough. And here is the interior collage and the back. Same papers, you get the idea. Ta-da! Okay, so once again, this one is number 5, and this one is number 6. And just for an overview, 1 and 2, and 3 and 4. You know, it's spring is almost here, and all the little birdies need a new home. I don't know if they want to do any kind of nesting or multiplying, But for sure, they all want a new home, and I'm pretty sure that new home should be with you.